Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Your partner Kaboga, and we are here at the Bangkal River. Did you see that? That is a bridge of the Bangkal going to Iba. Here, you know the Bangkal is a part of Iba Sambales, but this is the boundary of Botolan, the Bangkal to Iba. That bridge is going to Iba Sambales until Santa Cruz or Masilok, Santa Cruz, and Pangasinan. Anyway guys, I'm trying to catch the fish using my traditional Filipino pingwit, and now I'm going back to where I came from, that bridge. I don't know maybe how to catch the fish, so there's a lot of guys there. It's my pamangkin, and all there have their own service, like a tricycle. I'm going home. I don't know how to catch the fish, and I'm going back. Anyway guys, look at that. It's very hard to catch the fish, but the other guys know how to catch. They catch maybe a small tilapia. And look at this young boy trying to capture this for almost 2 hours. 2 hours or more maybe. See that? And look at my rat. Anyway, I'm going back. Nandito na po ang aking pamangkin. Wala akong nahuli at ang aking taga ay naputol. Kinain ng kawayan yata. Magkay ka muna sa vlog. Ano na ako mo? Dito. Isa pa lang. Wala talaga guys. So now here guys, finally I'm here. But the other guys, they catch maybe, what is this, gurami or tilapia. Wala naman akong nakuha. Nag-vlog na lang ako. Hindi ako marunong. Kinain naman ako. So see guys, that is a Bangkal Bridge or Iba Bridge that is going to the boundary. That's what I said before, the boundary of Iba Sambales, Bangkal, going to Iba, down to Masilok and Santa Cruz and Pangasinan. Mag-vlog na lang tayo. Ano ko mo, pare ko ha? Walang bangot? Main-in siguro, baka napamanilitan ko, makahal. Kina naman kataga. Nakuha kami isa? Oh, nakakadalawa na si Ison. Okay guys, bye for now. See you next time. Ayan. Big tilapia. 1-0. 1-0. Ayan po ang tilapia from ang laki naka 1-0. Kahay yung laman ng styrofoam na may kasamang yelo. Pati nga. Oh wow, parang galing palengke. Sila po ang nakahuli ba tawag doon? Nakatakap kali. Ayan po. Ito muna ako. May sumisigaw doon. Nakarami ka na ba, pare Koy? Sa YouTube tayo, wow! Yan pang uli niya. Ang dami. Muntik na naman, naka-video pa naman sa wow. Di asa ko mainag. Anan. Uwin, pang ilang huli mo na yan? Nakalagsa. Ano? Sa kumakan na nibal. Pata video mo. Patingin nga yan, son. Son.